it's Ariel with Seattle Coffee Gear, and today we are going to be doing a crew review of the Eureka Mignon Oro Single Dose, which is Eureka's latest grinder. It comes with 65mm diamond inside burrs and a pretty beefy motor, so it grinds very, very quickly. It's also very quiet. Comes with a 45-gram hopper and a bellow attachment, as well as some really nice wood accents and a dosing cup. So you don't have a portafilter fork for this guy. It's going to go directly into the cup and then from the cup into the portafilter of your choice. And then it has a nice big knob with numbers that are really easy to see, which I liked. And just some really nice kind of design details. You have the Florentine iris on the knob, as well as Eureka's logo on the cup. You also have these really nice wood accents on the lid and then just below. And honestly, I took this home kind of expecting to feel like it was overhyped, and I'm actually mad about how much I like this grinder. It's really nice. It's really quick, even if you've just rolled out of bed, it grinds very quickly. So why don't we go ahead and get some shots pulled just so I can show you guys how it works. So you've got your dosing cup and you're going to put it on your scale. I'm just using some Tony's Crew Brew, and I've got a bottomless portafilter with a 21-gram basket, so that is what I'm going to dose in here. I'm going to try and hit it right at 21 grams, that way I can show you the retention or lack thereof on the grinder. Okay. 21 on the dot. I'm just going to pop this guy in. Set it here. And then it just has a simple off and on switch. So you just, and again, it grinds very quickly. It's already pretty much done grinding. So then after that, you just kind of pump the bellow a few times to clear the chute. I'm going to come back here to check the retention. And 20.9, so there's barely any retention there. So it's fast, it's quiet, and that bellow really does kind of help push those extra grounds out. The only thing is the dosing cup I find is a little bit fussy, and it doesn't necessarily give you the most even distribution. So when you put it in, you're definitely going to want to use a distribution tool, especially if you're using a bottomless portafilter. So just kind of set it on top and like kind of spin it a little. And it leaves this kind of like indent around the middle. So you definitely want to go in with a distribution tool and give it a good tamp. And the grinds come out really nice and fluffy. They come out really quickly. So it's just a very nice grinder. So we're going to pull a shot and see how we do. Just putting a triple shot here. So I'm definitely going to need to dial it in a little bit here because it is definitely taking a bit too long to come out. So we'll just stop and fix it real quick here. So I just did a small adjustment coarser. So we're looking a bit better here. So what we're looking for is 42 grams in a little over 30 seconds for a triple shot. So right at 37 seconds here. Yep, brings out those nice kind of jammy notes that you'd expect from Crew Brew. Really nice grind consistency, good fluffy grounds. Definitely something that you would want to use, particularly if you like single origins. That way you can play around and change your coffees out every day if you like a lot of variety. But overall, this is a really, really nice grinder. I really like it. I'm super happy with it. I just think it will definitely improve your espresso game, particularly if you've been looking for a nice single dose grinder that isn't huge like the Atom Pro. This will still definitely give you a really nice shot of espresso. But thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. We'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.
Yes.